you will simply push this indicator here that says View. Once you push the View button, the bird's eye camera is activated. As you can see, we get a 360 scan around your vehicle. And by simply changing the view, you can get a better aerial view of your vehicle. And when you shift it from park or drive into reverse, not only will you get your traditional backup camera, which has your guidelines on it on the left side of your screen, you will also get the right side split screen, which has an aerial view of the vehicle around you. And you'll notice as you cut the wheel, you'll have this line here, which indicates the angle of the front of your vehicle, making the bird's eye view one of the must-have features on the new Toyotas.